What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the FRS again. I still have my bumper off from doing my headlights. So today we're going to be installing the fog lights that I got from Windjet. So basically in the kit I got these used, so that's why they look like this. So you get the wire harness, the fog light bezels, the fog lights, and you get the little switch. So the first step, what you're gonna do is you're gonna run all the wiring that goes to the fog lights. So let's get that started. Alright, so now that we got the wires ran and everything, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to the battery, take off the little cap, and this wire, you're gonna plug, or you're gonna unbolt the positive terminal and just put it on there. So let me do that and I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so what I noticed is this black wire is a ground, so you're gonna have to mount it to the body somewhere. So you just get one of I don't know what these are called, and then I noticed on one of the harnesses that the wire is cut, so basically I'm gonna have to make a new one of these. So let me do that, and then we can finally install what we need to do in the car. Alright, so the next step is this yellow wire. You can see down here, just like a little nipple. You just want to cut it. So you can basically just feed it through, and it'll go to the inside of the vehicle. Alright, so now that we got that, let's grab this wire and let's go into the car. Alright, so now that we're in the car, what we're going to do is we want to take this panel off. There's a little panel right there. You basically just stick your finger on the bottom and just pry up. And then basically, you can't see, there's a screw right here. It's a Phillips. You want to take that off, and then there's one down here that you want to take off, and then that'll bring this down so we can install the switch, and we can run all the power and ground and everything for the switch. So let's get that started. Alright, so now that we got those two screws out, you just want to pry it, and just remember, you gotta be careful. It is plastic, so. Alright, now that that's off, now, sorry about the light. You see in the back, this right here is where the fog light switch is gonna go. So let me grab that and put that in, and then we can run all the wire for the fog lights, and let's see if they work. Alright, so now that we got everything out, there's gonna be this yellow wire that I ran through already. That's what I ran through the firewall, and that'll go to the other yellow wire. And then I'm just gonna basically put the ground here. It's a 10mm bolt, and I am going to connect it to one of the fuses up here. So once I got that all finished, I'll show you what everything looks like. Alright, so basically now we got everything all set up. Just for now, I just put it in with a fuse. I'm gonna get the added fuse, and I put the yellow to yellow and then the ground. So then what you want to do is you want to grab the connector for the fog light switch itself, and then basically plug it in. Alright, now that it's plugged in, grab your key, just turn it on accessory, and when it focuses, it lights up. So that's off, that's on. So let's see if we did it right. If everything goes right, they should be on. So as you can tell, how they are right now, I just got them. So basically, I gotta still mount them to the bumper, and that's what I'll show you in a bit. After I finish all the wiring and everything, I'll show you how to put them on the bumper cover itself. Alright, so now we're over at the bumper. So what you want to do is you can take like a flathead, you can kind of just pry it up just a little bit all around. Just be careful. You don't want to scratch your bumper, but mine's pretty messed up. So then you basically just pull it off, and then there's 2 screws. They go right here, and we're gonna put those in. I gotta let my battery charge for a little bit, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so now that my battery's charged, I got the lights on. Pretty good fitment for aftermarket stuff. What I'm actually gonna do, since the bumper's off, I'm gonna take this grill off because it's kind of falling off anyways. So I'm gonna get that off, and then we're gonna put the bumper and all the lights and hook everything back up. So I'll see you when everything's all ready. Alright, so for anybody that actually wants to take the front grill plastic black piece off, there's gonna be 3 screws on both sides, and then basically you just pry it off and you're all done. So let's get this installed, see what everything looks like. Alright, so now that I got the bumper on and everything, this is how it looks. Definitely love the fog lights. Definitely makes the car now. Very excited about it. Honestly, I think I got them for 60 bucks. Not bad. Easy to install, couple wires and couple screws. I think that's about it for tonight. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.